So for now, the law stands, which leaves the question, when does the measure actually go into effect? For more on that, we're now joined live by News 8's Lou Hillman. Lou?
Well, Martha, what we do know is that Secretary of State Doug LaFollette says he'll officially publish the law on June 28th. But the impact of the measure depends on who you are and where you work. For some, the changes will start as soon as next month. For others, it will still be years. It's been a contentious proposal from the start, but now people are wondering, when does the collective bargaining law go into effect?
What we don't understand is the fight going against the collective bargaining rights, wanting us to vote every year to recertify.
Mary Speltz is the president of a local AFSCME chapter that represents more than 300 La Crosse County union workers. She says many people are anxious to know when the paycheck deductions for benefits will begin.
I know I'm going to have to cut back. I'm going to have to cut back $200 a month somewhere. Where will that be? I don't know. Where will that be for someone else? I don't know. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money for Main Street.
But unlike a lot of other public workers who should see the changes almost immediately, most workers in La Crosse County won't start seeing the deductions until the start of next year. That's because the county extended its contracts with all county unions before the collective bargaining law was passed.
And this has bought us time for the state to settle down and decide what it finally wants to do.
Director of County Personnel Bob Taunt believes the delay is a good thing.
I want to tell you that there will be less turmoil in La Crosse County because we have settled contracts. So our people will be focusing on working instead of asking a lot of silly questions about what do we do now.
County Supervisor Bill Feehan sees it differently. Also chair of the La Crosse County Republican Party, Feehan was against the contract extensions. He says delaying paycheck deductions ultimately hurts taxpayers.
They've already extended all these contracts, and in essence, they've negated the effect of the governor's bill.
And La Crosse County has its own self-funded health insurance program, so unlike most public workers, county workers here are only subject to the deductions for their retirement benefits. Martha?
All right, thanks a lot, Lou. Now, if the bill is published on June 28th, all non-union public workers should start seeing paycheck deductions by the end of July.